In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut constantly logging out on your PC or laptop. If CapCut signs you out every time you open it or while you are editing, this tutorial will explain why it happens and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Before changing anything on your PC, first make sure your CapCut account itself is working. Try logging into CapCut on your phone or open the CapCut web editor in your browser. If CapCut logs you out there too, then the issue is with your account or CapCut servers, not your computer. But if it only logs out on your PC, then we know the problem is local, and the next step will fix it. So CapCut supports different login methods: Google, TikTok, email, Facebook, Apple. If you create your account with Google but now try to log in through email, CapCut gets confused and may force you to out repeatedly. So always use the same login option you originally used to sign up. This solves the logout problem for a lot of users. Sometimes the logout issues happens because of old versions, bugs, or corrupted login files. And here's what you need to do. Open CapCut, go to settings, click check for updates. And if you are already updated or if updating didn't help, then reinstall. Uninstall CapCut from your PC. Restart your computer and download the latest version from the official CapCut website, and you need to install it again. A clean reinstall replaces all corrupted files and usually fixes the logout loop. Step 4 is to clear your CapCut cache. This step is very important. Corrupted cache files are the number one reason CapCut logs out. But first you need to back up your CapCut projects so you don't lose your edits. After backing up, you need to close CapCut completely. Press Windows plus R and you need to type this command that is showing on your screen. Press enter and inside this folder, look for a folder named cache. Delete the cache folder, restart CapCut and log in again. This clears stored login sessions and forces CapCut to create fresh, clean files. And for many users, this step alone fixes the problem. Step 5 is check your internet or VPN. CapCut logs you out if it can't verify your login with the server. This can happen because of weak internet, VPN proxy, school or office Wi-Fi restrictions, and you need to try this to fix it. Turn off your VPN, disable any proxy settings, switch to a mobile hotspot, restart your Wi-Fi router. Once CapCut gets a stable connection, it stops signing you out. And your activities or Windows firewall sometimes block CapCut online services. This makes the app think your login is invalid and signs you out. And to fix this, you need to open your antivirus settings, add CapCut.exe to your allowed apps. Do the same in Windows Firewall. And once CapCut can connect freely, the logout problem disappears. Now, if you have a CapCut Pro subscription, make sure you are logged in using the same account you purchased it with. If Pro features are logged or your account isn't syncing, CapCut may kick you out. Inside the app, use the option Restore Purchase. This reconnects your Pro subscription and prevents forced logouts. If nothing works, the issue might be on CapCut side. You can contact support through the app. So open CapCut, go to settings, tap help and feedback, submit your problem and attach screenshots. Mention your device model and CapCut version. They usually reply within few days, and that's it. That's how you can fix CapCut constantly logging out on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you want tutorials on any other CapCut or editing issues. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.